So Resh Lakish says that in creation, Hashem made a deal with the angel that runs earth. And he says if Am Yisrael accepts the Torah, if they accept it, everything continues. But if they don't accept it, I'm returning everything to Tohu Vavohu. I'm destroying everything. Now every deal has to have a contract. What's the contract? The hay on Yom HaShishi. The extra hay, the extra za, that's the contract. If they accept the deal, we go from Yom HaShishi to one of Hashem's holiest creations, Yom HaShabbat. If we don't, we stay during the mundane week and everything gets destroyed. Hashem Yachem. And also a small little chidush, if interestingly you would see that hay also has a numerical value of 5. 5 representing the 5 books of Moses. We accept the 5 books of Moses, we get the Shabbat. We don't accept them, we have nothing. No Shabbat, no Torah, no nothing, no purpose. So from here we learn from, not only from Rabban Yochanan, but from some of his students, that in reality, whether it was Shabbat, or was Torah, or was any of the mitzvot, it's not really a choice, like we think it is. Yes, you have free choice, you can do what you want, you could eat pig, you could eat a kosher cow. You could be honest, you could be a liar. You could be an angry person, or you could be someone that's trying to work on his midot. You can do what you want. That's free choice. But that's not exactly what we have. Because what we learned from this Gemara is that we really have choice, not free choice. Meaning, we have consequences. Free choice in our minds means that I can do whatever I want and nothing will happen. If I go to work, I get paid $100. I don't go to work, I don't get paid anything. That's free choice in our mind. What we have is choice. Meaning, I go to work, I get paid $100. I don't go to work, the boss sends people to my house and he beat me up all day. That's what we have. We got to Mount Sinai with choice. We accept the Torah, Hashem fulfills the promise to the angel that runs earth, Hashem fulfills the promise to the rest of the angels, Hashem fulfills the promise to the souls that were in creation before He put us into bodies. We don't. Mount Sinai becomes a burial ground. So Rabban Yochanan is telling us here that first and foremost, you need to understand that there's no reason whatsoever for you to ever take any credit for your learning Torah, because that's the only reason you exist, is for the Torah that you can learn. For the Torah that you can fulfill. Meaning that if you have no plan on fulfilling the Torah, then you're fulfilling the verse that it says that even Reshaim are called dead in their own life. During their life, they're called dead. There's no point to your life. Even an animal has more point than you do, because at least we could eat the animal. We can make something out of it. You came here, you don't want to learn Torah, you don't want to fulfill Torah. You're losing your purpose. Now why do we say this now, only a little over an hour after the lecture started versus right in the beginning? Because if I said to everyone right away, listen, if you don't learn Torah, you're meaningless, people take it offensively. But once you learn it, it didn't come from me. It came from Rabban Yochanan. It came from Hashem Yitbarach. It came from people that were beyond nature. It came from the Creator that created nature. Then you could just eliminate my picture and listen to them. Doesn't matter who said it. I'm just a voice. There's no credit due to me. It's the same book, you read it, you'll get the same thing. Just that most people didn't read it. So, Baruch Hashem, we did the work for you.